for me, it really started first even within my household and learning my archetype and then learning my husband's, who's an accumulator, first and foremost, and me and my romantic and connect yourself. It was so enlightening in our relationship, and it explained so much, and it assisted with so much for both of us to understand this and see where we were coming from after it's been now 30 years of marriage, and we did this, a few years ago. So it was really helpful. That I think was the very first step. And then now being able to see it in my business, like I said, when I made the awareness that as a channel and as a guide, I am really leaning into my connector abilities. And it always felt so easy and almost too easy, similar to what Monica had said, that I thought it was almost too easy for this to be the thing that I could actually now create a business around. So having that awareness was also really enlightening, and leaning into that and allowing the ease of my connector abilities to actually lead the way for income and money, and allowing more and more to come in.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.